This video is meant to familiarize the user with the location of information and components on the P2000i generator. Upon receiving your generator, carefully open the box. Once inside, you'll find the owner's manual and a maintenance toolkit. The maintenance toolkit includes a 12-volt DC battery charging cable, Phillips screwdriver, and a spark plug wrench. Underneath the top cover, you'll find the generator itself. Beginning at the top of the generator, you'll find the cord hooks, which can be moved by pulling the hooks out from the frame and rotating up, 3 carrying handles, the fuel tank cap and fuel vent, and a maintenance door, which provides access to the spark plug. The rear of the generator contains the muffler and spark arrestor, and the air intake. Move to the right side to find the maintenance door. Removing this panel will give access to the oil funnel, the engine oil dipstick, air filter, carburetor, engine serial number, and the generator serial number. On the left side, you'll find the fuel valve switch and the recoil starter. On the front, you'll find the control panel. The control panel will contain various controls and receptacles. The controls include the overload reset button, choke lever, engine switch, smart throttle switch, and the indicator panel with the low oil indicator, fault or overload panel, output indicator, and mode button. The receptacles and circuit breakers include the parallel socket, AC circuit breaker, DC circuit breaker, 5-volt USB ports, 12-volt DC receptacle, ground terminal, and AC receptacles. For more information, see your authorized Polaris dealer or visit polarispower.com.